Hello and welcome, my friend. We came to you for the weekly forecasting to the Forex pairs from 7 to 11 June. So, hope you subscribe to our channel and like the video if you find the content valuable. And if you want to learn how to analyze like us, down below there is a 90% coupon to our course. And if you want to use the broker we're using, down below there is a link to the broker we use. So let's get started today. So the first pair we got, it's the British Pound USD. Is it in 4 hours? As you remember last week I told you to enter sell from here. And it hit in for us the first target, it was here. Then it came the news, non-farm payroll of USA, and then it's pushing up the price up. But also we still need to go short in it. So our target, we waiting the price in Monday to go back here to touch that zone. Then it needs to give us a candle like that one, that red one where it is now. Then we enter short from here, Then we enter short from here to down. Let me zoom it like that. So the first target of us, it needs to be at 141.093. Second target is it at 140.266. I think everything is too clear. You wait in Monday, waiting the price to give you in that zone here. In that zone here to give you confirmation candle. Then you enter from there. And the target is here because that's just weekly. Then next week we will put for you. And our view to British Pound, it needs to be getting down more. So let's analyze the RSI. As you see in the RSI, we got here a divergence. And if you see the price here is given also high, low, high, low. So also here we will wait until the RSI touch that line of divergence or that downtrend. Then from here we enter a short, and as I told you, the target's up. I think that's it for British Pound. The second pair we got is the Aussie or Australian dollar USD. That one, as I told you last week, is going to be for short. But as you remember, I told you you're waiting for the retest here, then enter short. And that's what happened. It touched it, then it went short. Then it came the news. It reversed like that. And that trading, you need to take always, as I told you, take always 50% and move the stop to the entry point so you will not lose nothing. That one, our view to it is going to go back to touch that zone to retest it at 0.77,661 or at 0.77956. The first target we got it is 0.77187. That's the first target. You always take here 50%. Second one is it here at 0.76528 or 528. I think that's it for that pair, my friend. The other pair we got, my friend, is USDCAD. And if you remember last week, I told you, you wait in the retest here, then from here you enter long. And that's what happened. And then it came the news in Friday that what happened. Now we're waiting for it to touch that zone again. Is it at 1.20, 287? The first target, then you enter long or you buy. First target at 1.20, 908. Second one at 1.21, 305. Here, in the first target, you take 50% and you move the stop to the entry level. Because the pair it enter in a ranging way, as you see it now, here. That is it arranging, so we don't know which one is going to break, if it's going to break that one or break the up one. And by the way, that 4 hours. So you take 50% here in that zone and leave the rest to run. If it's break up, you take the profit. I think everything is clear. Let me analyze for you the RSI here. As you see in the RSI, we got here a divergence. That's why also we are bullish in it. So, and that's why we told you we wait in the retest of that trend line. Then you enter long here. I think everything is too clear, my friend. The other pair we got is USD Japanese yen. As you see it, that one, as I told you last week, you wait in the retest of that zone, then you enter long, and that's what happened. Then it came the news, they pushing the price down, as you see it now. But my analysis to it, you wait in it to fall down more, to touch the trend line or touch that zone here at 109.362. You wait in the price to give you a candle or a price action, then you enter from here long, and the target needs to be here in the last high. I think everything is too clear, and it's going to break it more than that, but you just take here, and you can take here 50% if you want, or here, that one and that one is at one zone. I think everything is too clear, my friend. And for the trend line, as you see it, let me show it to you. As you see, also we are in an uptrend. The price is touch it again. And because it's given also here a low, and here another high, and here now it's given also another low. So also our view to it will touch that trend line, then it go up again. But let me explain to you in the RSI our view to it. And as you see here, we got a divergence. Is it in 4 hours? That's why the price is falling down. So you waiting for it to fall down to touch or to enter in oversold area. But let me show you more. Why also we believe it's going to go up, because that in daily. In daily we got here uptrend, as you see it. And our view to it will touch that down, that uptrend again, as I show you in the chart. Then from here it will go up to overbought, and that the big trend and the small trend. So like that, you learn what else we do in here. In the 4-hour chart, there is a divergence, and the price is going to fall down. But in the big trend, the price is going up. That's it for Australia, USD Japanese yen, my friend. The other pair we got is USD Swiss franc. on the one. As I told you last week, also we are in an uptrend, and that's what happened. Then the news came, you see what happened, that big 4-hour candle. So also we wait in the price to come to touch that small trend line. The price is given also in 4 hour. Then from here we enter long or buy. As you see, the price is given also here that candle, but also will not enter from it because it is going to fall down more than that. Tell that zone, that the old zone here at 0.89. As you see it, then from here it will go up. The first target you take it at 0.89862. Second one at 0.90 291. Then going up more. I think everything is too clear, my friend. Let's explain about the RSI. The RSI here, we got divergence as you see it here, or an uptrend. That way also we waiting the price to touch it again. Then from here we enter long. Everything is too clear. Picture is very clear. Because as you see, also we've been in a downtrend for long. Then here the price is given us a divergence. Everything is clear. The other pair or the commodity we got is the gold. The gold, we got two scenarios for it. And I will explain to you why. The first scenario we got it if the gold continue going up till that zone at 1908. Then you enter from there short, and the target is set at 1880. But if in Monday came and touched that zone at 1880, then you enter from there long, and the target is at more high than that. Let me show it to you. Target is it more up, as you see it. We got one target at 1920, one other one at 1936. I think everything is clear, my friend, and I will explain to you why. Here in the RSI, that way I told you we got two scenarios, because here in the RSI the price is given us a downtrend or a divergence. But if you see it in the chart, let me show it to you. If you see here in the chart, you see also here we got a uptrend. You see it, but in the RSI we got a downtrend. That's a divergence. That way I told you if it go up, then you enter sell from there. If it fall down, you enter buy. That's it for the gold. The other pair we got is New Zealand USD, and our view to it, as we tell you in the last week, is going to fall down, and that's what happened. Then it happened news again in Friday. So our view to it will touch that zone here at 0.72389 or at 0.72321. Then from here is going to fall down. The target at 0.71478. I think everything is clear for that pair. Let me explain to you the RSI of it. In the RSI, that way also we tell you we enter in short in it, because we got here that divergence. We got here an uptrend, as you see it. The price it touch it and touch it and touch it more than 3 times, so it's a very strong trend line. So that way our target is only here in that place. But if it break it, then it go back and touch it, then it break the low of that one, then you enter from here. I think everything is very clear, my friend. So in the RSI, you wait in the price to touch that divergence or that line of trend line in the RSI, then you enter short down. I think the picture is very clear. The other pair we got is British Pound New Zealand. And that one, our view to it touched that zone here as you see it. Our view to it will fall down and touch one of the two zones of that trend line here. Then from here you enter long like that. The first zone is at 195.47, second zone at 194.97 or 907. Trend line as you see it. Then you enter long from here, you put the target here. First target you can take it here at that zone, at that high. Here exactly. Where is the price now? But our view to it is going to fall down more than that. I think everything is too clear, my friend. Let me explain to you in the RSI why also we saying that. Because in the RSI we still have that uptrend here, and the price it's being here in a overbought. So our view to it will touch that trend line again. Then from there you enter long. You wait in the RSI to enter to touch that zone. It will be at oversold, and the price it need to give you in the chart one candle or something, a price action. It need to give you here a candle like that one, like that green one. Let me zoom it for you to see it. It's not only like that green one, but any type of candles. And if you want all the types of candles, there is one video in my channel. It show you all the types of candles, something like that or like that, engulfing like that one. Then you enter. I think everything is clear, my friend. So that's it for that week, my friend. Hope you support us and you subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to get all our videos. Every week we put a weekly analysis to or weekly forecasting to the market. And for the stocks and the crypto or Bitcoin, we put a monthly video showing our analysis to the pairs. So my friend, that's it for this week. See you in the next week. Bye for now.